Just a girl and her dog. You watching the chickens, Bernie? Yeah. So, we built a chicken coop here around the chickens, or a chicken run, I guess. And we put some cement blocks and just some wood we had lying around for them. Let me see if I can get them to focus in there. No, not so much. So we put some cement blocks down there because at nighttime we don't want anything to come up and under the chicken coop. Jade is super interested in them. Where are they? And so we did that yesterday. Hello. And we built just like a little edging around here. We put the trellis all the way around the edge. I'm going to put up the gate and then I'm going to let them out there. So the trellis is all up here. We haven't made a gate here yet, so we just did this for now so that I can let them out today, and trellis all the way around. So this is their little run area, which is pretty sweet. And I got all of the gardens planted and mulched with straw, which is awesome. Fern was a great helper, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a very good helper. And we're gonna see if these chickens like their run today, aren't we, Jade? Jade really likes the chickens. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so these holes are quite a bit bigger than these holes, and I think that they might be able to get through them right now, and I'm a little concerned about Jade. So I put them back in there for now, or her, Daisy, crazy Daisy, and I'm gonna maybe just prop something up here on both sides where Jade can get to. Also, I don't really want them to hop on out quite yet. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to figure that out. How cute she is. You getting your feet? I don't think that they will get out of there. I keep thinking they're smaller than they are. They're pretty small. Get out of there! Stop eating my peas! Well, I'm gonna have to fix this pea issue here. Maybe put up a little bit more of a border. I've already gotten some peas coming, so I don't really want them to eat that. But so far so good. We'll see. I don't know what Fern's doing. The chicken wrangler. I'll let Jade back out now and see how that goes. You playing with the chickens?
Woohoo! Woohoo there, guys! Woohoo there, guys! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Whoa!
I'm gonna go in their little house.
I got one chicken in the coop. One chicken in the coop. You're so silly. You be nice, okay, JD? You be nice, okay? I know. That's what I thought too, Jade. Chicken in the coop. Crazy chicken in the coop. You sure your name's not Crazy Daisy? What are they doing, Jade? They're just having a good day. It's a good day. Yeah. I think they're pretty happy. Hi, are you guys pretty happy down there? Yeah? Pretty happy down there? Hey? Jade really wants in. You can't get in this way, honey. No, you can't. It's just for the chickens. It's just for the chickens. Okay, well, we'll see how this goes. There's my favorite little chicken with noodle sauce on her face.
I don't have noodle sauce on my face.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Can you say thanks to everybody for following along?
Thanks everybody for following along.
Say don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get these whiskers.